We woodworkers live for square, but most home builders treat it as a mere suggestion. Woodpeckers Stair Tread Template Tool helps you deal with out-of-square walls and make sure things fit nicely, even when they're far from square. Unlike competitive tools, the Stair Tread Template Tool is fully self-contained. There are no small components to lose, and there's no fumbling around putting it together on the job site. It expands to create templates for shelves, stair treads, and stair risers from 20¼ inches to 52 inches. Also, unlike competitive tools, this tool is formed from heavy-duty 14-gauge cold-rolled steel. The bevel arms and main body are zinc-plated, and the extension arms are powder-coated. We used a ratcheting handle at the bevel arm joint to give you adequate leverage for a secure lock, but avoid interference with walls and other obstructions. To create a shelf template, just loosen the bevel arm joint slightly and extend the arms until the bevel gauges perfectly match your sidewalls. Lock it up, and you have a perfect template without ever touching a tape measure or angle finder. The same process works for stair risers and stair treads. Use the template to mark your shelf or stair components and cut to the line. You'll get perfect fitting joints, regardless of any odd angles your walls might have. When the project's done, the Stair Tread Template Tool folds up in seconds without fuss, and it's ready to go to the next job site. Woodpecker's Stair Tread Template Tool checks all the boxes: convenient, versatile, accurate, and built to survive the most demanding job sites. Order yours today.